In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Coursera password. First, go to the Coursera homepage and click on the Login button in the upper right corner of your screen. You'll be taken to the login page where you'll see the Forgot Password link right below the password field. Click on it to start the reset process. Next, you'll be asked to enter the email address associated with your Coursera account. If you remember the email, type it into the field and click on Reset Password. If you're unsure which email you used, click on Email me a login link instead. This will send login links to all your registered email addresses, allowing you to check which one is linked to Coursera. Once you've entered the correct email and clicked Reset Password, Coursera will send you an email with a password reset link. Open your email inbox and look for a message from Coursera. In the email, you'll find a link that says Here in the second line. Click on it and a new tab will open in your browser. In the new tab, you'll be prompted to enter a new password. Make sure it's something secure but easy for you to remember. Enter the password in both fields to confirm it. Once you've done that, click on Change Password. If the reset is successful, you'll see a message saying Password Reset Success. After that, you'll be redirected to your Coursera homepage. From here, you can access all your courses and certificates without any issues. It's a good idea to keep your password safe and change it periodically for added security.